Hello, friends. For this week's song, I have chosen a Marathi abhang. The meaning of the word abhang, which is a very popular style of devotional singing in Maharashtra, its meaning is something that can never be destroyed. Abhang, something that is never destroyed. So, all these abhangs or devotional hymns have been written like almost like 700 800 years ago, and they are still fresh and they are still applicable to the current age, not just in terms of their tune but also in terms of their content. So and the main deity in all the abhangs is Lord Vithala of Pandharpur, which is in Maharashtra. And the main idea or the main theme behind all the abhangs is to sing the glory of the Lord, and how after singing the glory of the Lord, there is nothing else that remains in our life. The Lord takes care of us by His immense grace, and our job is to just make sure that we dedicate whatever we do and all our actions at the feet of the Lord. So, there were many saints of Maharashtra who wrote these abhangs. Sant Jnaneshwar Maharaj is considered to be like the foundation on which rests what we call the Varkari Sampradaya, the Varkari sect, which specializes in singing abhangs, and he kind of pioneered that movement. And then Sant Namdev Maharaj further gave impetus to the movement, in which he traveled all over India. And when he did that, he also was inspired by lots of other devotional movements in other parts of India. Like he composed some Hindi hymns which are supposed to be included in the Guru Granth Sahib of the Sikh tradition, the Sikh holy book, the Guru Granth Sahib. So, like I said, there were many popular saints who composed these abhangs. Sant Jnaneshwar Maharaj and Sant Namdev Maharaj, of course, and then besides that, Sant Tukaram Maharaj, Sant Janabai, Sant Chokha Mela, Sant Sauta Mari, Sant Gora Kumbhar. And many of these names were derived from the kind of work that they did. So Sant Sauta Mari, so Mari meaning the gardener, Sant Gora Kumbhar, Kumbhar meaning the potter. And the abhang that we are going to listen to today is by Sant Sena Nhavi, Nhavi as in barber. So the words of this abhang are Zata Pandhari si Sukha Vate Jiva, meaning the poet says, when I go to Pandhari, I feel so elated. My entire being feels so joyful. Sukha Vate Jiva. Ananda Keshava Bhetataji. So when he goes to Pandhari or Pandharpur, he meets with his Lord Keshava, that is Lord Vithala, and he feels extremely happy. Ananda Keshava Bhetatachi. Bhetatachi meaning to meet. And then the poet goes on to say, a few things which are only found in Pandhari or Pandharpur. Aisa naam ghosha patakan se bhar, meaning all the beautiful decorations. Pataka is basically flags. So all those beautiful decorations, flags, Nam Ghosha, chanting the name of the Lord in unison. Aise Vaishnava, Vaishnava meaning this sort of devotion towards Lord Vishnu. So Lord Vithala is considered to be one of the forms of Lord Vishnu. So that's why I say Vaishnava Dava Kothe, meaning show me, where else can you find? Dava meaning to show, Kothe meaning where. So where else can you find this kind of devotion? And the next few lines he says, Aisa Pundalika, Aisi Chandrabhaga. Pundalika was a great devotee of Lord Vithala. And the story goes that when Vithala visited Pundalika had old parents whom he constantly served, and Vithala probably wanted to test his devotion. So Vithala went to visit Pundalika, and then Pundalika said, just wait a minute, O Lord, I will just serve my parents and then I'll come to have your darshan. Then he made Vithala stand on a brick. And then the story goes that from that time, Vithala has been waiting for Pundalika for 28 ages. And still he did not finish serving his parents. So that was the great devotion of Pundalika and the service that he did for his parents. So Aisa Pundalika, such a devotee. Aisi Chandrabhaga. Chandrabhaga is the name of the river on which Pandharpur is situated. Such holy river and such a great devotee. Aisa Kirtana Gajara. Kirtana meaning chanting the name of the Lord. Gajara meaning just chanting in unison. So Aisa Kirtana Gajara Dava Kothe. Where else can you find this kind of devotion? And in the last stanza, the poet says, Sena Mhane Khun Sangitali Santi. So Sena Mhane means Santa Sena Nahavi, who's the one who's written this song. Sena Mhane, Sena says, Sena Mhane Khun Sangitali Santi. The saints, Sangitali meaning the saints have told the sign of having visited Pandharpur. Khuna meaning the sign. So Sena Mhane Khuna Sangitali Santi. So the saints have told that the sign of you visiting Pandharpur is Yapadti Vishranti Mire Vina. Without going back to Pandharpur, I have no mental peace. So after I come back from Pandharpur, I am again buried in worldly activities, and which is why I have no peace, because I want to go back to Pandharpur, because the peace that I got from Pandharpur I cannot get anywhere else, and I cannot get that same peace of mind after I come back from Pandharpur. And that is just a sign that how much I miss Pandharpur is what the poet says. And that is why I don't get any peace of mind. And that's what the last line says. Senamhane khuna sangitali santi yapadti vishranti mire vina. So this is the Abhang Zata Pandhari si Sukhavate Jiva in Rag Bhimpalas. Please sit back and enjoy, and please do send in your feedback and your comments. Thank you and happy listening.
जाता पंढरीसी सुख वाटे जीवा, जाता पंढरीसी सुख वाटे जीवा, जाता पंढरीसी सुख वाटे जीवा, आनंद केशवा भेटताची भेटताची, आनंद केशवा भेटताची भेटताची, आनंद केशवा भेटताची भेटताची भेटताची, जाता पंढरीसी सुख वाटे जीवा, जाता पंढरीसी सुख वाटे जीवा, ऐसा नाम घोष पताकाचे भार, ऐसे वैष्णव दावा कोठे, ऐसा नाम घोष पताकाचे भार, ऐसे वैष्णव दावा कोठे, ऐसे वैष्णव दावा कोठे, दावा कोठे, ऐसे वैष्णव दावा कोठे, दावा कोठे, ऐसे वैष्णव दावा कोठे, दावा कोठे, दावा कोठे, जाता पंढरीसी सुख वाटे जीवा, पंढरीसी ऐसा पुंडलीक, ऐसी चंद्रभागा, ऐसा कीर्तन गजर गावा कोठे, ऐसा पुंडलीक, ऐसी चंद्रभागा, ऐसा कीर्तन गजर गावा कोठे, ऐसा पुंडलीक, ऐसी चंद्रभागा, ऐसा कीर्तन गजर गावा कोठे, कीर्तन गजर दावा कोठे, ऐसा कीर्तन गजर दावा कोठे, ऐसा कीर्तन गजर दावा कोठे, दावा कोठे, दावा कोठे, जाता पंढरीसी सुख वाटे जीवा, पंढरीसी सुख सेना म्हणे खूण सांगितली संती, या पडती विश्रांती मिळेविना, सेना म्हणे खूण सेना म्हणे खूण, सेना म्हणे खूण, सेना म्हणे खूण सांगितली संती, या पडती विश्रांती मिळेविना, या पडती विश्रांती मिळेविना, मिळेविना, या पडती विश्रांती मिळेविना, मिळेविना, या पडती विश्रांती मिळेविना, 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 जाता पंढरीसी सुख वाटे जीवा, पंढरीसी सुख वाटे जीवा, आनंद केशवा भेटताची भेटताची, आनंद केशवा भेटताची भेटताची, आनंद केशवा भेटताची भेटताची भेटताची,
बहुत अच्छा